Yeah, we are here about Wikipedia reading about manganese is a chemical element with a symbol Mn and atomic number of 25. It is a hard, brittle, silvery metal often found in minerals in combination with iron. Manganese is a transitional metal with a multi-phased array of industrial alloy purposes, particularly in stainless steel. It improves strength, workability, and resistance to wear. Manganese oxide is used as an oxidizing agent, as a rubber additive in glass making, fertilizers, and ceramics. Manganese sulfate can be used as fungicide. Yeah, this is how it looks. Obviously. So, you can read the rest of this article if you want to on your own pace. I just wanted to show you a few pictures. Uh, yeah, like with this fungicide stuff and all these kind of things. I want to show you a few pictures. This is one of them. Like if you watch it, like the rock and the metal, it's a bit reddish. Yeah, I guess there's still iron in the rock, but the metal you can see here, like it's not rusty at all. It's silverish. And there's also, in addition to that, no moss or anything growing on those rocks. There's nothing there. Which is the second thing what I think, like why I think this metal could be manganese. Because it's not rusty, it has approximately the same color, and there's nothing growing on those rocks. Like for example here, this picture, that's another part of this molten rock, plasma oxide. Partially you can see like it splintered away, and the lower side which remains, it's rusty here, but here where we still have manganese, there's no rust, there's no moss or anything, how you call it, this green stuff on the rocks growing on that, which could relate to this one, fungicide. Yeah, and as far as I know, in the region where I live, where those rocks are, there should be manganese in the ground. Yeah, here's at least one map, the main metallogenic zones of Finland. And we find manganese here, which is this kind of color, and the plasma rocks are somewhere here. So it is possible. I didn't find yet a better map. It'd be really cool to find a better one, but I don't know. Until then, I really wonder also about that one, which is this uranium and thorium. Yeah, but they didn't provide any better answer yet. Still waiting. Thanks for watching.